at Westminster Ponds here in the City of London at the Tourism Centre. We have a multi-year invasive species project we're working on. And to do that, we're using our four-wheeler to get into some of the tougher areas to do some spraying. So we have a machine here with a forestry cutter actually making a path through this field behind me. So we're able to get the four-wheeler in throughout the season and do some spraying. So the main species, invasive species here is buckthorn, both European and glossy. Another species that's come in since the restoration began is Phragmites, so that'll be another big one that we're fighting. But yeah, mostly buckthorn. Before this restoration project started, this field was 95% buckthorn and dead ash, so what's emerging now that it's been cut down is more buckthorn, so that'll be the one that we're controlling. Yeah, so we're here at the Tourism Centre, Westminster Ponds, which is actually owned by the City of London, and the UTRCA is contracted out to manage this property, so that's what we're here doing today.